Damn YouTubers, Instagrammers, TikTokers. It's snowing in Louisiana. So look, check this out. We about to make some hood snowballs, you heard me. Peep game, you heard me. So, you know what I'm saying? We black folks, you heard me. We don't give a fuck, you heard me. We gonna scoop us some ice up. You know. Quick shit. Then we gonna double back, you heard me. With that Gonna pull that bitch up, you heard me. Pull that bitch up, you heard me. Go ahead and pull that bitch up, you heard me. Do your shit, do your shit, do your shit, you know. That blue shit, you know, you know. You got my girl too on the fucking way. Nature's best. Straight hood snowball. You know. Hood snowball shit. You know, ice is outside. Down.